guys, Jake here with Venture Visuals. Today I'm very excited to be showing you guys the free pack. Okay, now what is the free pack? It's a collection of all of my favorite filmmaking assets that are on my website that you can try completely for free. This includes matte transitions, it includes Saber Transitions, light leaks, animation overlays, and also as a bonus I included some Lightroom presets. Today we're just going to be kind of breaking down what's in the free pack. So here in Adobe Premiere Pro I got a little compilation of some music video clips that I've shot throughout the years, and as well as some of the effects that you can find in my free pack. One of the first things you'll notice here is this kind of light streak going on in this frame, and I really love these. This is a part of the light leak pack. So what light leaks are just these little streaks of light that kind of come into the frame and dip out of the frame. If we scroll down here, you can see it again. Right here at the end, we get that blue flicker at the end there. I made these myself, totally 100% authentic light leaks designed for music video edits. In the free pack, there are 3 light leaks that you'll get. In the paid pack, there are 20. So the next thing that's in the free pack are these Saber Transitions. So you can see here, they're just these kind of like glowing line transitions that look so dope, especially when you have like clips with a lot of color, like these purple and these greens. They really mesh together quite nicely, and this blue line really pops out. Same with this one right here. The blue kind of matches the background blues right here. Now I haven't seen anybody else put out any like Saber Transitions like these, so I really love this pack because it's 100% original. It took me a long time to make it and figure out how to make it, but it was all worth it in the end because it turned out dope. So one other thing that's really cool about these Saber Transitions is if you come over here to your effects tab and type in HLS, you can get this effect called Color Balance HLS. Drag it onto the transition and you can actually change the color of the transition to whatever you would like. So the transitions themselves are like really customizable. The next thing that's included in my pack are these overlay animations. So the pack is actually called Animation Station, which is 100 of my favorite animations that I've created as a part of a pack. Now that also took me a long time to make. I did everything by hand. It's all Wacom tablet. So I was here drawing out these animations frame by frame. And then what you can do is you can overlay them on footage, so you can see it right there. This like blue kind of like explosion happening. It's just a paint animation overlay. So check this out, right? So that looks pretty dope when you play it back in full speed. Now here's another example of that. Right here, you get like the little sunburst coming out of his arm right there. This is another animation that's included in the free pack. So I thought this was cool too because, again, same thing guys, you use this color balance HLS, you can throw it on these animations and change the color of them to whatever color you want. So very, very custom animations that you can get as a part of this free pack. And honestly, they just add so much sauce to music videos and gaming edits and that sort of thing. Probably my favorite part of the free pack itself are these matte transitions. So if I scroll over here, you can see we get this matte transition working right here in between clips. It's a very easy transition to use, and I think they look very slick. So check this out guys. So we have this transition first, and then there's this other matte transition here afterwards. So go ahead and watch that in full motion just to see what it looks like right here. So again, very quick, very clean transitions, and I have a pack of 30 of them on my website. As a part of the free pack, I include several of my favorite transitions from the matte transition pack, so you can try it completely free and get this same look for your own visuals. And then over here at the end of my timeline, I actually have another quick animation overlay from the animation pack. And you can see it's just this 3D dollar sign that kind of just goes across the screen real quick. I wanted to spend as much time as possible designing these packs because I not only wanted to put them out there on the internet to give to other people to use on their own projects, but I also wanted to feel confident in giving them away, knowing that I would also use these packs on my own projects, which I totally do. I use these packs on every single music video, and I think that's very important when it comes to determining whether or not these packs are worth it, is whether the creator who made the pack actually cared enough so that they make the pack worthwhile even for themselves. The cool thing about all of this is that I update the free pack throughout the year, and I'm going to be working on some new products this year as well for more music videos and just creative edits in general. So if you guys are interested in just keeping up with me, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button. The packs I'm going to be dropping are going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys what I've been working on. And I not only think that these packs that I just showed you guys are going to help you guys achieve better visuals, but the packs that are coming out this year on my website are going to be super fire. So I'm very excited to show you guys what I've been working on. And I just want to say thank you to anybody who actually does go to my website and download any of my visual assets. I'm a small creator, and every time somebody downloads something from my site, it lets me know that I'm going in the right direction and that I'm doing something right and that you guys appreciate what I'm doing. And it's really helped me, you know, stay motivated to keep putting out more content and keep working hard on my brand. So I really appreciate it, guys. And if you're interested in joining this community of creatives where we all just work really hard to help each other get better and sauce up our visuals, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below. If you like this pack and you can't wait to use it, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.